Hey, back for another video. I wanted to share with you what I've been dancing with lately, which is this interplay between inspiration and perseverance. And I've been a person who's gone with inspiration my whole life and have a lot of unfinished projects on the floor because of it. I started off 2026 deciding to write a book in a creative, fun way, and I was posting daily little snippets of the ideas that were going into the book. And it was rolling really well. That was my morning practice, was to do that, and my afternoons when I wasn't seeing clients was to be in my art studio where I am right now and be painting, playing, developing my style was my goal. And April hit, and all of a sudden I didn't feel the juice anymore. The inspiration was gone. It was time for perseverance, and I really do have trouble pushing myself through that. I am against pushing energy, and so I allowed myself a pause, and instead of dropping and completely pivoting as I've done in the past, and I said, okay, let's take a pause here. We can revisit, give it a little time, give myself some rest. And what happened was so interesting because I did get the inspiration to do something else, to partner with a friend who had opened up their hair salon, photo studio, witchy, magical new moon space. And I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do there, but as we were chatting and I'm sitting in the space, I started seeing my art on the walls. And I'm having my first art show on June 4th. So I want to announce that first of all. And it's been really exciting to be completing works to put there and to be curating and deciding which pieces to put up, that sort of thing. So that feels to me like I let some magic in terms of the timing of it. If I hadn't given myself that space with the writing, I may not have been open to the collaboration and the vision that was given to me sitting in her space, the Crown Chakra House in Ypsilanti, which the show will be opening on June 5th for First Fridays, 5:30 to 8 p.m. If you're in Ypsi, Ann Arbor, Detroit area, please come and join me. I'm going to guide people in some intuitive art, and my show is called Intuitive Art Play because that is how I approach my artwork, with a playful, intuitive energy. So I'm just sharing all that to say I'm going to return to the book after the show and see how I can, if it's a daily practice or it's a slower pace, what's needed to keep going with it. So hope that's helpful for you to hear about how my process has been as a multi-passionate with so many avenues to channel my creativity, possibilities and ways to do it, wanting to do all the things, how to work with that energy and still persevere with ideas, get them out into the world. Have a beautiful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.